Gemini can respond in various languages. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change. Well, it's not changing, it's more like how to add more language support in the Gemini AI. So before I'm showing you how you can do it, there is something that you need to know, that if you send a message to Gemini in any particular language, Gemini will use that language in the response. For example, if I send a message like Buenos dias, and then if I send that message to Gemini, you'll see that it will respond back with the Spanish language. So that's the basic for the conversation with Gemini. However, if you want to have a conversation like talking to Gemini in the live mode or the voice mode, and you want Gemini to speak in your language, then there is a setting that you must enable, or there is a setting that you must add. So let's go back to the home page, and here you have to tap on your profile picture and navigate to settings and tap languages. So right now the main language is English USA, but I'm going to add another language. So let's try use Spanish. Okay, is there any Spanish? No. Okay, there's Espanol. I forgot that it's called Espanol. Okay, Argentina, Mexico. Let's try Mexico. Alright, so that is the secondary language that has been added to my Gemini account. So, okay, second language remove. I don't understand why. Okay, maybe I have to click that only once. Sorry about that. It's a bit laggy here. Okay, now the language has been selected. Let's go back, and you can see that the second language is Espanol. Now, let's go back again, and I'll try to speak to Gemini using the Spanish language. Buenos dias. Buenos días.
Buenos días, es un placer saludarte. ¿Cómo puedo ayudarte hoy?
Okay, it didn't respond to my greet the first time, but it was able to respond back. So that's basically how you can do it. You can still speak in the main language, which in this case I can still speak in English. And basically Gemini will understand that if you're speaking one language or another language, it will know how to respond. So that's how you can enable or add more language support in the Gemini AI. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I wish you a great day ahead.